The following audio experiment is presented by Dark Matter Magazine. Your voluntary participation is appreciated.
Faulty Worker Process by Derrick Boden. We were clanging and cranking the machines up and down the old spinal line first time we saw its face. It was small and grimy, and by its branding, female. A defect, plucked off the inspection line, bound for recycling. Slipped through the gap of some fool demon's reclaiming sack, tearing from its eyes, bleeding from its nose, hungering for parent, as our products are built to do. We paid no heed, grinding for quota, every one of us. And besides, recycling's got its own demons. They'd come around, snatch the defect before dawn raised its baleful lens on Rust City and sent us scrabbling for shadow. We were but 12 demons, strutting the spinal assembly, the rumbling belts, the pounding stamps, the grease traps, keeping the line in line. 12 amalgams of metal and meat, suited for factory purpose with no time for sidetracks. Today was shipping day, and by dawn's clamor, we'd stamp, steal, and ship 20 products cross-river to Glass City. Quota met, bonus paid. Scabs enough to fill our furnace guts twice over. Living grand.